Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to solve storage full problem on Android phone. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up Play Store. Click on your profile icon in top right corner. Now manage apps and device. Now click on manage on top. This device option is here, click on it. Now at very bottom, not installed, click here. Now choose all the apps which are installed on your phone. These apps are not available in your phone. Click all the apps and now click on this trash box. Read this and remove. You can again install all these apps. Second method. In this method, you have to long press on apps and then click on app info. Then go to storage usage and clear cache memory. You have to clear cache memory of all the apps one by one. Long press on Instagram, then go to app info and clear cache here. You have to repeat same process in all the apps. When you clear cache memory of all the apps, you will find lots of place in your storage. I will suggest you clear Facebook and WhatsApp, especially because we use the most these two apps. In this method, you can solve full storage problem on your phone. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.